Each morning is a new beginning, a fresh opportunity to align your self-worth. In these next 5 minutes, we'll activate the most transformative words, I am. Every time you declare, I am worthy, you start replacing old limitations and develop unshakable self-love. Turn the captions on if you'd like to read along as you listen, or close your eyes for a deeper, more focused experience. However you choose to practice, let this be your time to align and affirm. Now, let's begin with our affirmations. I am worthy of my own unconditional love. I am worthy of dedicating time to what brings me genuine joy. I am worthy of protecting my energy and well-being. I am worthy of abundance in every form it flows. I am worthy of forgiveness from others and myself. I am worthy of joy that needs no justification. I am worthy of respect in every relationship and connection. I am worthy of new opportunities and blessings that excite me. I am worthy of restorative rest as it renews my strength. I am worthy of setting loving boundaries to honor my well-being. I am worthy of existing exactly as I am, without apology. I am worthy of loving every part of who I am, including all my flaws. I am worthy of investing in my growth and self-development. I am worthy of trust in myself and life. I am worthy of expressing myself freely and authentically. I am worthy of celebrating how far I've come. I am worthy of feeling safe in my own body. I am worthy of releasing what no longer serves me. I am worthy of choosing a life that fulfills me deeply. I am worthy simply because I exist. I am worthy of healthy relationships that uplift me. I am worthy of speaking my needs with confidence. I am worthy of taking up space with my authentic voice. I am worthy of acknowledging my progress and efforts. And that's it for this guided affirmation. Carry this unshakable self-love with you today. Remember, your worthiness isn't something you earn. It's your birthright. This truth makes you unstoppable. If these affirmations resonated with you, please give them a thumbs up and share them with someone who might need them too. Until next time, you are enough, you belong, you matter. Bye for now.